Good afternoon. In this section of our 2014 product brochure for dynamic engineers, I want to discuss TCXO general models. As I've said earlier in previous video training, any part number TCXO that has 1301 or 1313, right away you can tell those are general models. They're not custom data sheets. They will offer a frequency range, more than one frequency, or they'll say 5 megahertz to 100 megahertz or 2 megahertz to 80, or they'll have a number of discrete frequencies listed that are considered standard frequencies. That's a general model. You'll have some ordering options related to that general model. And again, we have a large number of TCXO general models. All the different package sizes, the most popular, are indicated, including larger leaded packages, sort of like OCXO packages. There are going to be some customers that have easy requirements, but they're in a non-popular, or I say a legacy package, older generation package from 20, 25, 30 years ago. We love that kind of business because chances are a customer using a TCXO in a giant solder sealed package cannot get that from any of the mainstream TCXO suppliers. So we will love the opportunity to take TCXO modules from the high volume factories, place them on motherboards inside the larger packages. Maybe the supply voltage is 12 volts instead of 5 volts or 3.3 volts. We will use an onboard regulator, and again, simple design work that we can quickly accomplish within our company to package that TCXO module to satisfy the customer's overall package requirement. Those are going to be nice opportunities to get a hold of when those arise. So again, lots of general TCXO models. We even have a 5 by 7 millimeter LVDS outputs, differential outputs. For TCXOs with differential outputs, you have two different RF outputs, a regular output and a complementary output. Same with PECO and LVDS. So we can offer LVDS TCXOs. They're not as popular as the CMOS or clip sine wave type. Those are your most common outputs, clip sine wave and regular HCMOS square wave. Sometimes your customer will request a TCXO with a certain amount of output power in dBm. Right away, if you hear dBm, you know that that's a sine wave, a pure sine wave into a 50 ohm load. And again, the main factories in the very small packages cannot offer 50 ohm load pure sine wave units. So if we get a larger package and the customer wants a 50 ohm sine wave, again, we can do an integrated module design, have a conversion circuit inside the package that takes the clip sine wave and then converts it to a 50 ohm sine wave, even if it's an oddball voltage. So buffer amplifier design, adding regulators, making adapter circuits to match with the modules is a very strong capability of dynamic engineers. And we can help you win some of those opportunities, even using the general models, to at least get an idea of the package. Thank you very much.